Hello, friends and viewers. In order to supplement my Social Security income in these most difficult times, I have developed a new line of jewelry. My jewelry carries the exciting name Mucho Macho and is for the discriminating man. Today, I'm highlighting this beautiful sinker necklace mounted on a rope chain constructed from an authentic trot line that got caught up in my prop while I was fishing Lake Lavon. This lovely pendant is designed to be worn informally with an open shirt or formally with a white t-shirt as I'm wearing today. Whether you're just out bar hopping or attending a debutante ball, this beautiful piece will surely be a lively addition to your attire. For a limited time only, we are offering this beautiful teardrop necklace for 3 easy payments of only $29.95 plus shipping and handling. We have operators standing by ready to take your calls. If you act today, as a bonus, you will receive this beautiful fish hook handcrafted from the finest Swedish steel. You will also receive our 347-page booklet entitled How to Tie a Square Knot, ensuring that you can secure your beautiful pendant without fear of the knot becoming undone. Here's a testimonial from Larry, a geography major from South Point, Ohio. Dear Bill, while on a recent trip from Columbus to Ontario, Canada, we were flying over Mexico when our plane encountered turbulence and crashed into the north face of Mount Kilimanjaro. Luckily, no one was injured, but some of the older passengers were pretty shaken up. Using my beautiful necklace in combination with the bonus fish hook, I was able to catch enough fish to sustain all 325 passengers and crew until help arrived. Thank you for your beautiful and functional product. P.S. Now my only problem is trying to figure out which one of the stewardesses to go out with. Well, Larry, thank you for your nice letter. Act quickly, friends. At this price, they won't last long. The phones are starting to ring. I said, the phones are starting to ring. Okay, now it's time for what you've been waiting for, the joke of the week. It seems as this man was out shooting seagulls and the game warden spied him and came up to him and said, Mister, I've been a game warden for 27 years now, and it's the first time I've ever arrested anybody for shooting seagulls, but I'm going to arrest you. Seagulls are protected. The guy says, I'm sorry, I didn't know that. The game warden said, well, they are. I said, why would a man shoot a seagull anyway? And I said, well, times have been really hard lately, and I lost my job here about 6 months ago. My wife took in washings and stuff, but we just haven't been able to make a go of them. I've been shooting them. We've been eating them. Game warden said, been eating them? Well, that shines different light on the story. So I'll tell you what, I'll tear up this ticket if you'll promise me you'll never shoot another seagull. And that guy said, oh, yeah, sure, I promise. I really didn't know that they were protected. The game warden tears up the ticket and starts walking back to his vehicle, and he turns around and looks at the guy and he says, say, buddy, what does a seagull taste like anyway? Oh, I don't know. Something between a bald eagle and a spotted owl.